Lesson 4.1. Instantiation. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will wire an N2 instance with named port mapping in the testbench. Connect A, B, Y, simulate the end truth table, confirm pass. Instantiation places a child module inside a parent and connects ports. Prefer name mapping port signal, clearer than positional order. Here the duty is structural, and N2 live behind the top ports. Top design.evreps N2. The test bench must connect A, B, and Y. Your TODOs are the three named ports on the instance in tb.v. Connect A, B, and Y on the instance, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we run simulation and verify the behavior in the log. Open simulation and press run. The log shows the end truth table, ending in pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB scope and add the signals. Surfer shows A, B, and Y for each stimulus step. Yosys should collapse to a simple AND gate network. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review N2 is the leaf. Named ports keep the wiring obvious. The test bench owns the instance connections you just filled. That is instantiation. See you in the next lesson.